Creative Park. Expect the unexpected. Hello. Welcome to Blender 2.82 Built-in Addons. Part 3. Number 11. Archi Pack. Archi Pack Addon is the advanced version of Archi Mesh. You can manipulate the primitives with a real-time on-screen editing interface. Let's start with creating walls. Hit numpad 7. To edit in top view, you can increase or decrease the length and width by dragging the arrow symbols. Click the top arrow to create the second wall. To undo, click the arrow facing backwards. You can also turn on and off the manipulators from Archi Pack in View 3D panel. To create a curved wall, change the settings from straight to curve from the Archi Pack submenu. Archi Pack comes along with different kinds of presets: doors, windows, and staircase. Some of the other primitives, like floor, slab, and roof also have presets. Number 12. Loop Tool. Create a plane from Add drop-down menu. Right-click to increase the segments to 10. Create a circle. Hold Alt plus Shift to select both edge loops. Press Bridge from submenu in Loop Tool. Same input method can be used for Bridge and Loft Tool. Circle. A simple method to create a circle. Select the vertices from the plane and press Circle from Loop Tools. Flatten. Flatten is the method used to calculate a plane, so that on average the vertices will have to be moved the least to be flattened. Curve. Select two or more vertices on the same loop, press Curve. This will evenly distribute the vertices along the curve. Linear calculates straight lines through the control points. Cubic gives a smooth curve. Loft. For loft, you can use the same input method as for bridge. You can select more than two input groups and have them bridged consecutively. Number 13. Animall. With this addon, we can animate vertices, bevel weight, vertex colors, and others. Before we start, change viewport to animation workspace. Animall Addon works only in edit mode. Click the points checkbox in Animall submenu to animate the vertices. To keyframe, press the insert button. You can now see 3 yellow dots of the keyframe and dope sheet. Move the slider in dope sheet and vertex in viewport to insert another keyframe. Now play the animation in object mode. Edge bevel weight works by adding the bevel modifier. In the bevel modifier, set the offset limit method to weight. To animate textures, change the viewport to UV editor. Animate UV's location, rotation, and scale. Feel free to experiment each submenu. Number 14. Tree lighting. By default, Blender opens with single light. By activating tree lights add-on, we can now see back, fill, and key lights in scene. Adjust the key light in upper front of the object, and the fill light in lower front, and the backlight behind the object. Increase the power of key light to 1000 watts and fill light to 50 watts. Add color to each light for better understanding. Remember, always the fill light value and position should be lower than the key light. Backlight is otherwise called rim light. The power of rim light should always be higher than key and fill lights. From render properties, select the dimensions and press F12 to render. Number 15. Turnaround camera. In View 3D panel, in Animate submenu click the Turnaround option. The camera calculates the active object in center. Turnaround camera is suitable for product visualizations and character turnarounds. Thank you. Subscribe, hit the notification bell.